amazing to admire and embrace. The seats are an experience to be in, front or rear, and moving your hands over the dash and doors, particularly the carbon fiber driver's own enhanced steering wheel. It's a work of art, no matter how you look at it. The workmanship and build quality is the best we've seen from Ferrari. In fact, if you ignore the hypercar territory with the likes of Bugatti, Pagani and Koenigsegg, Ferrari is in a league of its own with its interior refinement and cabin quality compared to direct rivals. Speaking of which, this car actually has no direct rivals. What other naturally aspirated V12 can take your kids to school and sound this good? The only thing letting this Ferrari's interior down is the rather buggy infotainment system that, despite asking $6,790 for optional Apple CarPlay, hardly ever worked as intended with or without it. This is somewhat ironic, as not only was Ferrari the very first brand to launch CarPlay, it also employs very senior Apple executive Eddie Q on its board of directors. We would kindly ask Eddie to fix this problem, please. It is more than likely all software related, so there is a good chance it will get an update soon. You could almost call the experience inside perfect, otherwise. But what is the first thing you do with GTC4 Lusso? Take it to a racetrack? Spirited drive up a twisting mountainous road? It's more than capable of both. But no. Take the kids to school was our initial choice. The GTC4's lift system not only raises the nose, but also the rear, and given how long the car is, this stops it from bottoming out. This meant getting in and out of bad driveways was no longer nerve-wracking. We won't scrape the underside of the Lusso in the tight confines of the inner city, which is more than we can say for most other Ferraris. We installed our two Isofix child seats in the